So in terms of question two, just true or false. So question one is false. A statistic is a numerical value that represents a sample characteristic, or alternatively, you could have said a parameter is a numerical value that describes a population characteristic. Either way, statistics and populations don't match. A sample is a subset of a population. That's true. Right, so that is just the definition of what a sample is, some smaller group out of a population. Right, here's my population. A sample is just some little bit of it there. So question two, there's not really a true answer to this. I mean, I guess if we're playing the super duper technical game, it probably would be false for them. Anything is possible, right? But in reality, yeah, it is kind of impossible for them to get every little piece of data, although the census does actually do a phenomenal job of coverage. I think it's like 99.7 or some stupidly high amount. In terms of the fourth one, oh, by the way, I would never ask you a question that is both true and false like that on a quiz or a test. So the fourth one, inferential statistics involve using a population to draw a conclusion about a corresponding sample. That would be false. It's backwards, right? So inferential statistics involve using a sample to draw a conclusion about a corresponding population of interest. Question the fifth one, this is also going to be false. And it's only because of some. So a population is a collection of all outcomes, responses, measurements, or counts that are of interest, right? Alternatively, if we change the word population to sample, a sample is the collection of some outcomes, responses, blah, 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 right? So that would be false. And the last one is also false as well. In general, you should expect sample statistics to change from sample to sample, because if we're randomly choosing samples, it would be pretty unlikely that you're getting the same people chosen time to time, or getting subjects or things chosen that have the same measurements time to time. So sample statistics will usually will change, and the goal of measuring that is one of the things that we care about in this course.